Welcome to the instructional video for the Zent head unit fitted into the new Chausson range for 2021. So first of all, you must have your ignition turned on. Once your ignition's on, then you can power up the button by pressing and holding the button at the side, and you'll see that the lights will illuminate both in the middle and underneath with your different options. So we have several different options at the bottom here. We've got home, we've got nav, we've got the camera, we've got DAB, we've got ALT, and we've got your Bluetooth facility. So it is a touchscreen version, and first of all, you might need to be aware that the nav is an option. So this is activated by popping a card just into the end of the unit here, and then just slotting it with a pen or your fingernail, just so it clicks in place just inside there. Now it does come with a bigger shield just here for you to update it, and you just slide that micro card into the end unit there and pop that then into your computer to do any updates that are available. So first option, flick it back to your home. So you can navigate then by touching it because it's a full touchscreen operation. You'll see now that the navigation units become active, just that. And then we've got radio. So then you can just preset your radio options into the unit just by pressing that, and then it will preset a station. If you want to save the station, then you can just click onto the preset option, click and hold, and that will store your various radio stations. You can do the same with the DAB. So press the DAB and it will bring you up a list. Again, different areas will have different lists, so you can search and find the different areas that are located just there. The camera option. So press and hold the button, and that will bring you up a camera screen, just showing your rear view position. It is a single set position, so you can't change this, unfortunately, with the system that's fitted. The Bluetooth option then allows you to pair your units. So you can see I've connected before. I've turned off my Bluetooth so it doesn't turn the video off, but you can connect it, or if you want to remove it, just remove the device. It will then search for a list of items, and once you've got that, you can then navigate through the different systems for your contacts, for your keyboard, for your log calls, or for your music. So again, it will play your music on there. At any time, if you want to go back, then you just select the home button, and that will take you back to that. Your Bluetooth option is there, so that will take you as a quick route through to your screen. You have also got a point to connect through to your USB, and your USB lead is just tied up just there in this particular vehicle. That will also allow you to connect it through to your iPod, and then you can also connect it through to your Android link. Again, the camera option will bring the camera option up, and then if you flick further across, you've got your web links, HDMI lead if you wanted to run it through as a display unit, your AV plug-in again if you want to use that facility, that's there, and then you've got your setting options. So your setting options, again, just scroll through it and it will give you the different options that are available just by tapping into them, deciding whichever one you want. So again, going back, then if you want to change your time, so you can just select the time option and select the time. You can have it off or you can have it on, and there's a screen option if you just want it turning off, just at the side there. The navigation. So if you press the nav button, let's go home, it'll just take a while, a few seconds, just to load it up. Now again, this is setting it up for you, so I'll show you the setup procedure, what's involved. So we'll go English. Again, if you want it in different languages, you can change it to the language which suits you best. So just accept your terms and conditions, and then it will take you through a little setup wizard. So I'm just clicking on the next option, Again, you can change your different voices.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Depending on what you want.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
So let's have Kate set on there. And then you can set up your format. So it gives you miles and yards. It gives you fuel consumption. It gives you different options. Again, navigating it down will give you the different coordinates. You can put your coordinate options in there as well. Yeah. So what I tend to do is change it to that first of all, because then it'll allow us to then to go through and set up the vehicle length. So again, we can select what vehicle we want. And then that one, and then go back. Route planner, you can do that. And then that will take you to your finish. So once you've finished it, you can then accept it. What we tend to do then is if we select a destination, so it will calculate a route for us just there. Yeah, you can route preferences, save route, itinerary route, and do it in that way. Now, if you want to set a new route, then you can flick the little button at the bottom, and then it will come up with new route option. So you can enter in your option there. What I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to go to the settings option, because I want to put in length and the details. So I want to press the settings, then press the route preference, then select the vehicle. At that point then it allows us to select edit. Select the edit, and again you want to select the vehicle that you're editing. So again there we can change the name, the length. So in this case it'll be a 6.4 meter vehicle. I'm in a 650 at the moment. 2.35 meters wide. I would leave that just at the right angle there. And then your height, you can set that to 3 to give you a little bit of an option. And then go further down, you can set your axles, your permitted weight. All the Chaussons are 3.5 ton. So that would do there. And that would be done for you and set for you. So that's a brief explanation of how to work the sat-nav unit, how to work the radio. The control for the sound will just be turned up on the dial up and down there. When you want to power the unit down, you just press and hold it. And then if you wanted to take out the little sat-nav card, you just press the button in, remove the little micro SD, and update it should you want to do that. So I hope you find that video useful and look forward to your feedback, but enjoy it. Thank you.